Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying what platform your Mobile Legends account is tied to. This matters because some links prevent direct email changes. Once you know that, sign in an open profile, then tap Account Center. Make sure your new email is ready in another tab or device so you can quickly retrieve codes. If your account uses a third-party login, prepare its credentials. Otherwise, proceed to account settings. You're doing this now to avoid session timeouts and lost verification attempts. You'll navigate Account Center to Security or Email Settings and tap Change Email to start the switch. Enter the new email exactly, request a verification code, and check your inbox immediately. Delays cause code expiry. Once the code arrives, type it in and confirm. Make sure you read any notices about cooldown periods or forced relogin. These explain why some functions are limited briefly. If prompted, re-enter your account password to authorize the change, because this prevents unauthorized modifications. After confirmation, you should see a success message. Next, log out and test signing back and using the new email to ensure full transfer. If verification codes fail, resend and inspect spam folders, or use a different device or network to avoid caching issues. Make sure to wait a minute between attempts to prevent cooldown locks. If the account is blocked or links to a third-party prevent change, contact Mlbb support with your UID and screenshots so they can verify ownership and complete the update for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.